What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I've got an insanely large package from Adidas, which actually kind of seems to be par for the course now with Adidas. They keep just upping and upping the sizes of their packages, and I'm not going to complain about it because it's awesome, but this one is covered in like fragile and glass stickers and things like that, so I feel like this is going to be an experience to say the least. Oh, really quick, if you didn't already know, I'm actually holding a poll for 2 of my sneaker concepts, and the winning sneaker will get made, which is kind of insane to think about. So if you would like to be a part of the voting and help decide which one of these sneaker concepts actually gets made, make sure to click the link in the top of the description and the winning sneaker design will be announced on Monday. But with that out of the way, let's jump right into the unboxing. So let me grab it really quick. It's not small and it's gonna take all my strength to put it up on top of the table, so here we go. So this is massive, and I'm wondering, are these stickers just for show? Like, is this something that they put on because they knew I'd be unboxing this on camera, or is there really something that's like really fragile in here? I'm interested to know. Obviously we'll find out when I unbox it, but I'm just kind of wondering. I've never gotten a box. I've even ordered like computer towers or I guess computer cases online that were large and were made of glass, and they never had this many stickers on them, so I'm interested to see. So why don't we find the top? Oh, okay. There it is. And let's cut this guy open and see what we've got. Huge thank you obviously to Adidas for sending this over. They said they were sending something over. They didn't say what it was or what size it was. But as always, I always appreciate the stuff that they send. I really love that they really look out for us creators. That's super cool. So thank you guys so much for that. I can't find my unboxing knife anywhere. It's somewhere in this room, and this room is a mess. So where are you going, Ben? My dog got bored apparently. Whatever, dude. Don't look at me like that. It's not that. It's gonna be exciting. Just Ben, come on. Ben left, which is not a great omen. So let's pop this open and see what we've got. You probably can't see my face because I'm gonna crop this video a little bit, but cutting the top, cutting through the fragile sticker. There we go. We've got a lot of bubble wrap, a huge amount of bubble wrap. Look at that, and another box. Pull this out, throw this off to the side. So I'm gonna pull things out one at a time, take a look at them, and then get to the big box at the end. So first things first, we've got, drop something. Oh, a power cable. Huh. An adapter. I wonder what they need to send a power cable for. Well, I guess I'm gonna need these, so might as well unravel them. Drop a comment if you have any idea what's inside this box, and don't cheat. Don't wait till the end of the video and then comment. Let me know right now. Let me know what you guys think. And if you've seen someone else unboxing this, then don't ruin it for everybody else. Next up, we've got a tube, which could just be for packing, but I actually think that there's something in here, so let me try and pull it out. It's probably a poster. Usually posters ship in tubes. Oh, it is a poster. Nice. Ooh, I don't want to mess it up. Let me try and pop open this side, see if that helps at all. I pushed it too far down on this side now. Okay, so let's try this. Got it. Finally. Oh, are you back, Ben? You wanted to see the poster, didn't you? That's what I thought. Here's Ben. So what's up, Ben? Oh, he hates this. I'm sorry. Okay, I'll put you back down. Well, after that, he's not coming back. Oh, no, he came back. So, this poster is, whoa, a bunch of different Adidas Superstar silhouettes. That's awesome. Let me guess, it's by Kick Posters. Yep. Yo, what's up, Kick Posters? This is sick, man. So we've got a bunch of different Adidas Superstar colorways. We've got the Babe colorway, we've got some Pharrells, we've got some, I think that was a Pride colorway, and we've also got the ZX Flux colorway right up there. I really like this a lot. It says 50 years of Superstar. So I'm assuming the shoe that I'm getting is probably a Superstar. I would guess based on that, but we don't know for sure yet. I guess all that's left is to open the box and find out, so let's do it. Okay, so it looks like we got a box inside a box. Let's cut this guy open and see what this is. Oh, is that a note? Do I already see a note? Yep, I did. There goes the note. So the note reads, 50 years of Superstar. Superstars united creators, marked movements, and encouraged bold choices. Use these superstars as a blank canvas to make waves. We invite you to step back into history and create the future. At Adidas Originals, hashtag Adidas Superstar, hashtag gifted by Adidas. That's awesome. Thank you so much, Adidas. I appreciate it. This is sick. But I really think it's time to actually open up this box and to find out what all the fuss was about, what all these fragile and glass stickers were about. What is this? Okay. I'm gonna put this off to the side. What? It looks like an old school TV, kind of. Okay, so back here is the power input. Let's plug this guy in. Here we go, moment of truth. What the hell? What? This? Hold on. Is there a way to pause this? Okay, there's no way to pause it. This is a screen on a clear piece of glass. I can see through to a pair of sneakers behind this piece of glass. This is a translucent screen. That's crazy. You can see my hand through the screen. Get the hell out of here. That's crazy. We gotta restart this. We have to restart this because I wasn't watching this at all.
A symbol of culture, a timeless design. The Adidas Superstar remains one of our most iconic silhouettes. This is the Adidas Archive. The Adidas Superstar is one of the most recognizable shoes in sport, music, fashion, and culture. Introduced in 1970, the Superstar was originally a low-top version of a basketball shoe that offered players added protection and grip. The design included a rubber shell toe and a smooth leather upper. By the 1980s, Superstar had gained notoriety and made the transition from the court to the streets, which was largely attributed to the rise of hip-hop music and culture. In 1986, the shoe made its stamp on hip-hop with Run DMC. The rap group was known for their signature look, wearing the shoes without laces and pushing the tongue of the shoe out. Run DMC became the first hip-hop group to sign an endorsement deal with the Three Stripes family. As the shoe made waves in hip-hop culture, vert skating was fading and the streets became the norm for legends who first skated in the iconic shoe. By the 90s, the Superstar was the shoe of choice, and since then, classic Superstar models have been reworked as a part of Adidas's skateboarding staples. In 2005, we introduced the Superstar 35 project for its 35th anniversary by partnering with icons in music, fashion, and the arts. Like the Consortium series, which worked with brands and boutiques from around the globe to create one-of-a-kind designs. Most recently, the Hender Scheme Superstar honored the original shoe with a quality leather treatment. After being worn by artists, athletes, and trendsetters, the Superstar shoe naturally became a fashion statement sneaker. Its striking yet classic shoe has lent itself to a host of partnerships and designs. Notable collaborations include Pharrell Williams' 50 Shades Supercolor Pack and Bape Super Ape collections. Throughout the years, athletes and artists have made the Superstar their own, recreating and styling the sneaker to their liking. The Superstar is a staple in the Adidas history and serves as a uniform that unites the Adidas team.
This is the craziest thing I have ever gotten from a sneaker brand. And I've gotten a lot of crazy stuff, but this, I wonder if I could actually like play Xbox on this. Well, obviously you could see through the glass there was actually a pair of sneakers behind the screen. That's absolutely crazy. So why don't we open this up and see the sneakers. I'm gonna put this in my room. My fiance is just gonna have to deal with it. This like actually blows my mind. I've never seen a translucent screen in person before. I'm sure there's some at CES, which is going on right now, but I never thought I'd have one in my house in 2020. That's crazy. So let's pop the top and see what we've got. Oh, nice. Okay. There's a little panel right here that reads, "Experience the evolution of..." Okay, I'm not going to read it like that. I'm just going to show you guys a B-roll shot, and I'll read it to you guys that way. "Experience the evolution of Superstar visually on the screen provided. We invite you to learn how one iconic silhouette impacted culture over 50 years." This is an insane box. I can't get over it. This is crazy. First thing inside the box, it looks like we've got a Viewmaster, a 3D. Are they called Viewmasters? I forget. I haven't used one of these in years. Image 3D in a nice gold color. Let's see what we've got. Oh, Superstars. Who would have guessed? What else we got? More Superstars. I should know who these people are. We got some people wearing Superstars. We got Run DMC in Superstars. We got some gymnasts in Superstars. Another group. That's awesome. Obviously, it's not as impressive as the screen, but it's still a nice touch. So I guess at this point, it's time to look at the shoes. So let's pull them out. Look at that. That's awesome. See if there's anything else inside the box. So I'm gonna move this TV off to the ground while we look at the shoes, and then we'll get back to it in a minute. So here they are, the Adidas Superstar 50th anniversary. Let me loosen these guys up so we can actually see them in hand. Actually, I probably don't need to loosen both. I can probably just pull out one side. This reminds me of those like toys, you know, those action figures back when you were a kid, like the Star Wars action figures or whatever, that had the stupid little like twisty ties holding them in. That's what that reminds me of. I mean, it's the exact same thing, so it makes sense why it reminds me of it. Look at these, the Adidas Superstar 50th anniversary in this really nice black, white, and gold colorway. This is sick. I really dig this. I actually have another pair of Superstars that's all white. It's from the summer collection. I don't remember the name of the collection, but I mean, this is a really clean pair, so I think I will be switching that pair out for this pair. I really dig these gold laces. These are sick, especially with that gold 50 on the left shoe right there. That's sick. That's such a nice detail. So obviously this is primarily white leather Superstar. You've got the Adidas 3 stripes in black leather and also this black detail on the back with the Adidas trefoil logo, which I think is really, really clean. You've also got the iconic white rubber shell toe with this X texture. You've also got these flat gold laces, like super metallic gold laces too. They really pop. Probably not the easiest thing to tie in the world, but it doesn't really matter. I might actually wear these untied, if possible. You've also got the Adidas trefoil logo right there on the tongue in black and gold, which looks really nice. Inside the sneaker, you've got a pretty standard white mesh sock liner and also a white mesh insole, and then rounding off the sneaker, you've got this nice white rubber outsole. I mean, the Superstar is one of the most classic Adidas sneakers ever made, and like you saw in that video, it's been worn by everybody. And this colorway in particular is really, really clean. I love the gold hits. I love the 50 on the left shoe. I think that's awesome. I mean, overall, it's a shoe that's super easy to rock, and with the gold accents, your feet will really pop, which I really like. Huge thank you to Adidas for all this stuff. This is pretty nuts, especially this TV. I don't even know what to think of this. This is crazy. The Superstars themselves are awesome. They're super easy to wear and they look great in this black, white, and gold colorway. It makes a lot of sense now why everything is black and gold. Make sure to leave a comment in the comment section down below letting me know what you think of the Adidas Superstar 50th anniversary and whether you plan on grabbing a pair for yourself. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.